Hey guys, welcome back to Get's Garage. If you own an Audi B8 or newer, you know the struggles of, yeah, that's right, the sun visor clip breaking. And I'm gonna show you how to fix that and remedy it with this ECS billet aluminum clip. It's really not that hard. It takes maybe about 5 minutes for both sides. And let me show you how to do it. All right, I'm gonna start off by showing you what the kit comes with. It comes with 2 of these ECS billet aluminum sun visor clips. It comes with what they call a captive nut. It's basically just 2 pieces of rubber, 2 different sizes. Make sure to pay attention to that. And then it comes with a baggie of hardware. We have 2 bolts and then 2 different size tapered cone nuts is what I'm gonna call them. And I'll show you how to use these in just a second. First, let me show you how to take off the old sun visor clip. All right, so I'm gonna take off the sun visor clip. I'm gonna be using a flat blade screwdriver, or you can use a plastic trim tool if you have that and you don't wanna mess anything up. I feel pretty confident just using this. Just like that, slide this piece off. Now this piece engages some tabs on here, so once you have this cover off, all you have to do is wiggle this out, like so. Just like that, and it's out. Now, there's a little bit of setup to do on the new billet clip. Let me show you that real quick. All right, I'm gonna show you how to set up the billet clip to be installed. It's a lot easier to do it down here with a little bit of a work surface. So I'm gonna start off by taking out the hardware from the bag. So what you're gonna wanna do is orient the clip the way it's gonna be facing, which is like this. We're gonna drop a bolt through. We're going to find the thicker of the 2 captive nuts and put it on the right side, because that is the thicker hole. And take the thicker of the 2 tapered nut and just lightly thread that on. We don't need to tighten it down at all yet, just get it to the point where it engages on that rubber captive nut. We're then going to take the other nut, the other bolt, and do the same thing with the thinner captive nut. Just like that. Now we're ready to throw this up into the roof. All right, now that we have the billet clip all set up and ready to be installed, we're just going to slide it into the holes, wiggle it back and forth. The rubber does get caught a little bit. And then using either an Allen key or I'm using a Torx bit because I didn't want to be bothered finding the Allen key for it. We're just going to slowly start one side at a time, tightening these Allens in. So I'm going to call it there. And just like that, it's installed. And now you never have to worry about this breaking ever again. All right, last thing before I go, I just want to break down the cost of these clips. If you were to replace the plastic ones with another plastic one, it costs about $15, $20 with shipping. So this ECS kit cost me about $54 shipped to my door. You break 2 of those plastic clips and replace them, that's about the cost of the ECS kit. So save yourself the time, save yourself the money, and just go ahead and buy this ECS kit. It takes 5 minutes to install, gives me the peace of mind. I'm super stoked about it. I think it looks pretty cool, and I'm excited to have it in the car. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I'll catch you guys in the next one.